Now children, in the previous video you have studied linear symmetry. Now we will talk about rotational symmetry. Now what is rotational symmetry? For that, the first thing which you should know is what is rotation. You must have seen the clock, right? Rotation is the movement like the hands of the clock. It may be clockwise and it may be anti-clockwise. The rotations are of two types. It may be clockwise and it is like the hands of the clock. Okay, so this is what is known as rotation. This is simply told you to understand that what is rotation and how it looks like. It is like the movement of the hands of the clock. It may be clockwise or anti-clockwise, right? Now what do you mean by center of rotation? What do you mean by center of rotation? Now center of rotation is the point at which it is a fixed point about which the object rotates. Okay, it is the fixed point about which the object rotates. Now what is the center of rotation of the clock? It is the center from where the hands of the clock are fixed. So this is what is known as center of rotation. The point at which the object rotates. Okay, it is the point at which the object rotates. So for example, this is the clock, these are its hands. So this becomes the center of rotation in the clock, right? Now what is the angle of rotation? This we will be doing just now. Now we will take angle of rotation. What do you mean by angle of rotation? Abhi, what you have seen, you have understood what is rotation. Then you have studied what is center of rotation. Now we will take what is angle of rotation. It is the angle of turning during rotation. It is the angle of turning during rotation. Okay, what do you mean by angle of turning? Right, suppose a hand of a clock was here, it came up to here, so this is what is known as angle of rotation, that it has, while rotating, it has come up to here. Now it when moves up to here, this becomes the angle of rotation. This, then this complete angle becomes the angle of rotation. So this is what is known as the angle of rotation, angle of turning during the rotation, right? Now what is rotational symmetry? The basic thing which you have to talk about in this video. What is rotational symmetry? Now rotational symmetry is an object is said to have rotational symmetry when it comes to the same position more than one time. That is, suppose this I will explain with the help of an example. Suppose you have an equilateral triangle. Okay, the sides are equal. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is the center of rotation, and this is the angle of rotation, which is 120 degree. Now if you rotate the triangle by 120 degree, this point A will come here, this point C will go here, and this point B will come here. Now if the points are not written, will you be able to judge whether the triangle has rotated? No, you will not be able to. Okay, similarly, if again you turn, A comes here, B comes here, and C goes here, you will not be able to judge whether the figure has rotated. Such figures are said to have rotational symmetry, which after rotation seem to be at the same position. Okay children. Now we will take one more example of a square. Suppose you have the square, all the four sides are equal. Now this is the center of rotation. Okay, the intersection of the diagonals, right? Suppose these are the points A, B, C, D. Now you rotate, this is the angle of rotation, 90 degree. You rotate the square by 90 degree, which is the angle of rotation, this point A will come here, B will come here, C will come here and D will come here. But you will not be able to judge again whether the square has rotated or not. Now again, if you rotate by 90 degree, A will come here, B here, C here and D here. Again, if you rotate by 90 degree, A here, B here, C here and D here. Again you rotate by 90 degree, it comes back to the original position A, B, C and D. So the angle of rotation here, yes, the square has rotational symmetry because it takes the same position again and again when rotated through an angle of 90 degree. So it has rotational symmetry, okay. Then what is the center of rotation? Center of rotation is the intersection of diagonals, okay. What is the angle of rotation? What is the angle of rotation? Angle of rotation is 90 degree. Then what is the order of rotation? Order of rotation is 4. It takes the same position. How many times? It takes the same position 4 times. Okay, so this is how we judge whether the square has rotational symmetry or not, and this is how we do. Okay.